Hello, this is David Snell with DFW Custom Wood Floors, and I am here today to run you through the various steps of installing a hand scrape wood floor. We're working in a house right now that has approximately a 1,500 square foot installation. First thing is, when we come into your house, we have to remove the existing surface that you have, being carpet, whether it's a glued down wood, or also a tile. Once those surfaces are removed, they clean the foundation, tack strip comes up, baseboards will either come off or be left on, and then once the foundation's clean, we lay a thick mill plastic that's a first line moisture barrier. Those steps can take anywhere from a few hours to up to a day. It depends upon the size of the surface. Once that's done, we go into laying the subfloor down, which is a 5/8 inch thick plywood. You have to cut those pieces to conform almost like a template that fits the foundation of your house where the new wood floor is going to go. Once those surfaces are in place, we lay a felt down, and as soon as the felt's down, we lay the wood planks down that are going to be nailed down, which will ultimately end up being your new hand scrape wood floor. That process can take anywhere from a few hours to a day and a half. Once the wood planks are down, we will scrape the wood to any gradient that you like, and it really is up to you. We will show you different models of work either on the iPad or send you to homes closest to you to where you can see our work and determine what you like best. We also allow you to pick the stain color. Both the staining process and scraping process, again, can be a matter of half a day, upwards of a day and a half. house that we're working in, as you see behind us, to complete this floor, start to finish, pulling the carpet out, laying the floor, is about a 4-day total time process for a 1,500 square foot home.